In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your print provider in your shop manager, whether you're looking to switch things up with a new provider or just want to explore different options. This walkthrough will guide you through the process with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your shop manager. Once you're there, look for the settings option, which will usually be in the menu on the left-hand side. Click on settings and navigate to print providers. This area allows you to manage and modify the partners you're working with to fulfill your orders. Once you've reached the print providers section, you'll see a list of your current settings. Here you'll need to select the specific listing that you wish to update. Take a moment to carefully choose the listing you want to modify, as this is crucial for ensuring that any changes you make affect only the items you desire. After selecting the listing, it's time to choose a new print provider or add a brand new one if you have a particular company in mind that you haven't worked with before. This step can really transform your product offerings, whether it's a provider that offers more competitive pricing, higher quality products, or faster shipping. Selecting the right partner is key to maintaining a successful online shop. With a new print provider in place, you might also need to update product details and pricing. It's important to ensure that information such as product sizes, descriptions, and images accurately reflect what the new provider offers. Additionally, pricing may need to be adjusted to ensure you're covering costs and generating the desired profit margin. Take your time to review all these details carefully to maintain consistency and accuracy across your shop. Once you've made the necessary updates to product details and pricing, you'll want to confirm that all the changes align with your overall business strategy. This might involve tweaking your marketing messages or updating listings to better fit the new provider's offerings. Finally, it's essential to save all of your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom or top of your settings page to securely lock in all adjustments. It's always a good idea to double check that everything is correct before saving. This will prevent any issues later on when orders start coming in. And that's it! You've successfully updated your print provider. Keep in mind that periodic reviews and adjustments of your providers can contribute to a more dynamic and competitive marketplace presence. Thank you for joining me in today's video. By following these steps, you can ensure your shop remains flexible and that you're continuously offering the best options for your customers. Happy selling, and see you next time.